what's good with y'all? It's your boy TQ the Barber. Welcome to TQ Cuts. If you are new, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Without further ado, we're gonna get straight into the video. Let's get it. So as you guys can see, I come in with my saber trimmers and I'm creating that first guideline. Now I will admit I did not like these trimmers at first, but they kind of grew on me a little bit. So I'm using them a little bit more now. So you see me coming in and making that line as straight as possible, as clean as possible. So my fade could be as clean as possible when I'm done. So for my second guideline, I'm just making clean passes against the grain with my no guard open. And I just wanted to mention, like, I haven't really seen any barbers like making content where it's kind of like the barber's point of view. I haven't seen too many YouTube barbers posting content like this from their perspective free-handedly. Who knows, this might be the new wave. So I do the exact same thing with my one guard open, creating that third guideline. I'm just going against the grain, trying to keep everything consistent so it can be a blurry blend. So this part right here can get a little tricky, but I'm just using that one close to kind of knock down that bulk. I don't know, I try not to snag at that, because sometimes you can snag that dread that's hanging up there. So I try to like separate everything as much as I possibly can, but you know, sometimes I just go with the grain and kind of get the bulk down, but it's really your choice of how you choose to get the bulk down. But you know, it can get real tricky because sometimes that guard can snag on that dread, and you know, you don't want that. So right here you can see that I'm using my finger to kind of separate the dreads from the blend. So you know, it can get real tricky if you're not careful. So right here you can see I'm doing a little detail work in the midst of the cut as I go. And one example I want to point out is, you know, when you're cooking, you kind of want to clean as you go so you can have less steps at the end of the process. So that's just one way I look at it. So I come in with my 0.5 close and I'm taking out that guideline that's in between the no guard open and the one guard open. Now, as y'all can see, his blend, it comes out smooth. Like, you don't really have to do too much to kind of give him a nice blend because his hair blends so easily, so it just makes the job a lot easier and a lot faster. And lastly, I'm doing my no guard close, and I'm taking out that initial first guideline that I created. And we're just using the corners. We're not really using the full blade. We're more so using the corners to kind of get that blend out. We don't want to create another guideline. So basically the same thing applies on the other side. You know, I'm doing the same exact thing on this side. I'm not gonna lie, watching this over sped up, man, it's like real satisfying, man. I'm just saying stuff. But look at this. Come on, man. Is you really that tired, man? I had to get him. Come on, man. Come on, dog.
Bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I had to get him, man, because why? But it's all love, man. Right here, I'm coming in with my 0.5 halfway close, and I'm just knocking down that bulk that's in the front of the hairline. Now, I really thought, I'm not gonna lie, at first I thought it was gonna be too low, but you know, his hair texture is a little different, so it didn't really cut off as much as, you know, you would think. But, you know, it's going to come out smooth in the end though when I line it up. And y'all see what I'm talking about. So right here, I'm hitting them with that cold, freezing, gots to be spritz. And I'm just basically preparing that line up or that front edge up for the trimmers. So I could have went and used a blow dryer to kind of dry that front edge up or that front line up. But what I like to do is I like to let it air dry and detail something else. So that's basically what I'm doing right here. So by the time I finish detailing, that lineup is ready for me to hit it with the trimmers. And as you can see, I'm coming in with the High Vis, one of the best trimmers on the market. You know what I'm saying? Top 3, top 2 in my opinion. Okay, top 2 might be crazy. I'll say about top 3, you know what I'm saying? But these are some hitters, man. I don't know. Like, these not even zero gapped all the way. So just imagine if I zero gapped them. You know what I'm saying? These is fresh out the box hitters. Some might disagree with me, but fresh out the box hitters, man, I don't know, man. They just hit different for me. They real smooth. and they really spit that white ash line that I like, man. And I noticed that the Sabres do not do that. They don't really give you that ash line that you're looking for. And you know, the Sabres are the bad trimmer, but the High-Vis, they just do it for me. They just do it, man. In my opinion, it has to be the Babyliss FXs and the detailers, man. That might be the first and second one for me, and then High-Vis coming at 3 in my opinion.
Cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it, you used to be this shit slick about it. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick about it. I be knowing to run down, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She don't want to dance and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done.
So after I completed his original lineup, I come in afterwards with the Temptation spray, and I'm just coming in and darkening up those light spots in his hairline. Now I noticed in the middle of his hairline, he kind of had a cowlick, which I did go over it a little bit. It's not as bad as it could have been, but I'm just basically using that Temptation to kind of fill it in, make it look fuller than what it is originally. And I don't want to push him back into that cowlick because, you know, that's not really where his hairline should be. So I just want to kind of keep everything low and keep everything where it should be and use that Temptation to fill in those light spots.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. Okay. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. Okay. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. But they don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy.
Right here, as you can see, I'm bringing everything back to that lineup using razor work, just trying to make everything come together and build that foundation for the whole haircut.
Take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map.
We are inching close to the end of this video, but as y'all can see, my boy came in looking like he didn't have no V-Bucks to looking like he had all the V-Bucks in the world, man. This your boy TQ. He in good hands like State Farm. If you mess with this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, we out.